Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to search by price on Amazon. This is a really useful feature when you're shopping on a budget or looking for the best deals, as it helps you quickly filter through thousands of products to find exactly what fits your price range. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in so you can access all the features and personalized recommendations Amazon offers. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the top search bar at the very top of the page. Type in the product or item you're looking for, then press enter. This will bring up all the available results for your search query. You might see hundreds or even thousands of options appear, which is where sorting by price becomes incredibly handy. In the upper right corner of the search results page, you'll notice a button that says Sort By. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear with several sorting options. From this menu, select either low to high or high to low depending on your preference. If you're hunting for bargains, choosing low to high will display the cheapest items first. If you're looking for premium or high-end products, high to low will show the most expensive options at the top. This sorting method instantly reorganizes all the search results based on price, making it much easier to browse through products that match your budget. You can now browse through the results and explore the items that fit within your desired price range. This method is quick and straightforward, giving you immediate access to sorted listings. Alternatively, there's another way to filter by price that gives you even more control. On the left sidebar of the search results page, look for the section labeled Price. Here you'll see a slider that you can adjust from right to left. Move the slider to set your minimum and maximum price range. Once you adjust the slider to your preferred price limits, Amazon will automatically update the results to show only the products that fall within that range. This gives you a more customized shopping experience and helps you avoid scrolling through items that are outside your budget. And that's it. You've now learned 2 effective ways to search and filter products by price on Amazon, helping you shop smarter and find the best deals quickly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.